Welcome to Bill Pro CRM product presentation, a solution for construction vertical built on Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. The solution is developed by CETAS Information Technology Private Limited, Chennai, India. Why do we need a CRM for construction vertical? When we play in tough market conditions, when we need to monitor marketing and sales activities, perform rigorous customer follow-up with respect to payments, and when a customer is thinking. So these are the few reasons of why do we need a CRM for construction vertical. What is a CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management system which includes sales, marketing and service functions. Pertaining to sales, it helps us to establish sales pipeline and perform various activities like phone calls, emails, fax, letter against all customers. Under marketing, it helps us to run various campaigns like television advertisements, property fairs, trade shows, etc. And even service requests, contracts and contract lines are included in customer relationship management system. What Microsoft CRM offers? It offers 4 basic functionalities like sales, marketing, service and business process automation. Sales automation helps us to handle multiple projects and multiple price lists. Segmenting the customers is possible through marketing automation. Service automation helps us to address contracts and contract service lines. Importantly, business process automation is highly necessary for workflows, internal and external email alerts, escalation matrix, etc. So what are the features of Microsoft CRM? Being a Microsoft product, CRM is built on top of Outlook. Data could be imported and exported through Word and Excel. We can integrate Skype and Bing Maps. Even CRM can communicate through Microsoft Office 365 Cloud. Multiple browser compatible. And best feature of CRM is it works on all mobile devices pertaining to all operating systems starting from Windows, iOS, BlackBerry and Android. Talking more about platform capability, we can extend CRM through Visual Studio and SharePoint. Even we can extend to cloud by using Windows Azure technology. With the deployment models, Microsoft is one of the few players who offers options pertaining to deployments. Say it could be on cloud or on hosted or on-premise. So it gives flexibility to the customer to choose based on their business requirements. CETAS offers multiple projects with respect to Bill Pro, payments against milestones and track payments, selling parking slots and real-time product availability information on customer web portal. CETAS also offers integration capabilities of CRM with Dynamics Navision, with Tally and auto dialer feature as well. So far we have seen offerings from Microsoft and CETAS towards Bill Pro CRM, and let's have a look into the product. So this is the dashboard of Bill Pro. It starts with sales pipeline, property availability based on various stages like available, booked and registered, payment outstandings against all projects, token advance collected, and registrations month-wise. Few other dashboards are for telecallers and for sales team. Campaign against various types, budget versus actual cost for campaigns, leads by source campaign, revenue generated by campaign. Moving on to the next dashboard, we will be able to see the sales pipeline, sales leaderboard, sales by projects, deals won by lost, and who are top customers. And the best part of BillPro CRM is the drill down functionality with dashboards. Say for example, I would like to know the availability of properties under ABC Metro project. The system shows 23. If we would like to drill down based on various blocks or units, the system would give us detailed information like Group A we have 13 products available and Group B we have 10, and even further drill down is possible against floors, for example. So for the first floor we have 7 properties available, and for the second floor we have 6 properties available. And even if we want to perform further drill down based on directions, say for example under first floor we would like to know the available properties based on directions. We have 2 properties which are facing north, 2 facing east, 1 facing west, and 2 facing south. As I stated earlier, all these information are available on mobile devices and it is a web-based application. Going back to the presentation, CTAS is a solution partner with Microsoft Dynamics, and we are also partner with Atlassian, LS Retail and Adrenaline. We provide implementation and support services for the mentioned products. We focus on construction, education, hospitality, retail and manufacturing verticals. Thank you for watching this product demo of BillPro CRM.